Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Following a 1-1 draw against Amazulu in the midweek at the Kings Park Stadium, Orlando Pirates released a statement that says the Buccaneers will be without midfielder Sihle Nduli, who sustained a significant ankle injury during the clash against Usuthu. The 30-year-old was forced off during the match following a heavy challenge, and after a further assessment by the club's medical team, he has been ruled out for an extended period. Nduli is expected to be sidelined for approximately 4 months after suffering a grade 3 ligament tear, effectively ruling him out of action for the remainder of the year. His absence represents a setback for the Buccaneers, with the midfielder having recently returned from a lengthy layoff from a previous injury. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Sihle Nduli being injured for at least 4 months? Orlando Pirates said that he won't be playing football again in 2026. And following this injury, where the player who injured him, Thandolwenkosi Ngwenya, didn't receive a red card, and people were complaining that why didn't he receive a red card. So people have been asking for VAR, and Minister of Sport had this to say: "We've written letters to SAFA to inquire about the progress with VAR. This matter has never been more urgent, judging from some rough tackles on players. We'll give feedback on Tuesday." So yeah, we will wait for feedback from the minister tomorrow regarding VAR. We wish Sihle Nduli a speedy recovery. And in other news, Cape Town City FC have rejected a 15 million rands offer from Polish Ekstraklasa outfit Górnik Zabrze for Emil Witbooi. Witbooi has been in news all around the country, with teams interested in signing him, but nothing has materialized yet. And now, Cape Town City have recently turned down 800,000 euros, about 15 million rands, from Zabrze, who are owned by German legend Lukas Podolski. Cape Town City remain firm on their asking price of 1 million euros, about 18 to 19 million rands. And it remains to be seen if the Polish side will come back with an improved offer. Witbooi, who recently won the Motsepe Foundation Championship Players Play of the Season following a great season, which he led Cape Town City to finish in the promotion playoffs, has seen teams submit offers to sign him. However, Cape Town City keeps on rejecting, including Orlando Pirates. Now, let me hear your thoughts. Where do you think Emil Witbooi will end up? Do you think that he will spend the rest of the season playing in the Motsepe Foundation Championship with Cape Town City, who are pushing for a promotion? Or do you think that there's a team that will meet the asking price of Cape Town City and City will sell him? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.